Hey there boys and girls, Lucky Skillflaky here and welcome back to another CSGO video. So today I thought I would share with you guys my results for the AWP no-scope tests that I did yesterday. So I'd say let's get right into it. So right here you can see my areas. Red means very close, orange means close, green would be medium range, and blue would be long range, of course. So I will use these kind of areas, fire about 40 shots each at the wall, and we'll see how the spray pattern looks like. So I'd say let's get right into it. So as we're firing the AWP on the left side while standing and on the right side while being crouched, I also sped it up to not bore you guys to death, we can see that while being at very close range, the pattern for both is very tight, obviously. We can see that while being crouched, the pattern is slightly better, and we can also see that when we move on to the close range, again, it looks like the crouched pattern always seems to look a little bit better. I'm just gonna spoil a little bit. For medium and long range, we'll basically see the exact same thing. However, I think it's worth mentioning that even though the crouch pattern is tighter and obviously looks better if you compare them side by side, if you look closely at the standing pattern, it doesn't look all that bad. I mean, of course, it's a little bigger, but I think that if you would just be playing in-game, it doesn't look like all that much of a difference. Of course, if we move to further spaces like we do right here with our long range, which would be kind of our last range, it seems more obvious that it's like more distinguished, but yet again, the difference isn't all that big. So does crouching really improve your no-scoping? We will see in a couple of seconds after we checked out one more bonus thing, which would be the super crappy long range, because I actually ran out of walls to shoot at. But let's not talk about that, but move on to the body size and check how much of a bot our pattern will actually cover. So this is the one of the super crappy long range, which actually was not included in, like, seriously, because I kind of overshot it a little. But as you can see, at really far ranges, the pattern seems a little bit too big in order to hit a target. But as soon as we're moving out to the medium range, it doesn't look all that bad. Like, especially with the arms out, it seems like it's much more of a better target to hit. Same goes for the standing, of course, shot pattern. That's again what I said before. Crouched versus standing doesn't seem to do like that much of a difference. And again, as we move in closer, we see that the pattern basically almost covers the complete bot, so it should, in theory, give us a guaranteed kill, shouldn't it? Again, moving up a little bit closer, and at this range, no-scoping would be pretty effectively and deadly from my point of view. But I have a little other thing that I noticed after I felt like killing all of them, so let's just do that really quickly and move on to our next thing. And that would actually be shooting at real bots this time around. So again, I just lined myself up with my previous kind of areas that I had right now from the super long range or super crappy long range, and just trying to hit the target. Of course, right here on the floor you can see the marks disappeared, but I basically have my little, again, spots where I can find them again. So just use the bullet decals as another line and repeat the thing. Basically, again, pretty self-explanatory, just shooting bots while standing up. Remember when I said that I don't think that crouching actually improves your no-scoping a lot? Well, in this test I was basically only firing again from the same ranges, but only while standing up. I was not crouching at all and just doing the normal firing. And again, as soon as we moved into someone like medium and close range, we were able to hit the bots a little bit better, or better said, actually a lot better, because, I mean, like that you could actually not hit the bright side of a barn. But I actually found something out, and that would be this. Crouch shotting. So it could actually be complete and total placebo, but every time I crouched right before I shot, I felt like my accuracy was a lot better. Of course, the crouch pattern is tighter, so it might just be placebo, and I'm not completely sure. So if you want to try it out for yourself and leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think about it, I would highly appreciate it. But yeah, this pretty wraps it up for my tests with the AWP no-scoping. Again, another just area test right here. I felt like, or better said, we saw the crouched spray pattern or shot pattern is a lot better, or maybe a little better than the normal standing up. And the placebo tells us then if you try to do a flashy crouch shot that it actually looks or feels and maybe hits even better than a normal thing. So yeah, I think it's much all for now. If you want to see more videos similar to this one, please leave a like or subscribe, and Lucky Skillflaker out.